Hey, so if you're someone that has a business and you're looking to learn how to take it online, perhaps you've only been depending on referrals and brick and mortar, I'm going to show you in this video how you can use the online space to drive more leads and sales for your business very effortlessly without spending any money on advertising. So again, if you're someone that has expertise, you have experience in a certain area, and you want to leverage the online space, this video is going to show you exactly what you need to be able to go ahead and position yourself online to start to drive more leads and sales. So let's begin. So you have a business right now, so you either have a product-based business or you have a service-based business. Both businesses are scalable, but products are more scalable than services, okay? So let's say if you have a product, you may be a coach, you may have an e-course already, or you may have a service that you do one-on-one, but you want to package your expertise in a content format that you can sell it without your time, right? And that's how you use products. Now, if you have a service-based business, right now you're exchanging primarily your time for money, and it's not that scalable. So the first thing that we need to do is teach you how to package your services and expertise into a product, okay? And a product could be a book, it could be an e-course, like I said, it could be an online mentorship program, but it's essentially taking your service and simplifying it and packaging it into a product like an online, something that's on demand that can be sold without you being there. Because if not, you will be limited and you will always exchange your time for money. This is how people are able to make money while they sleep. You ever heard that expression? I make money while I sleep 24/7. The way they're able to do it is because they have products that are typically sold leveraging the internet. And once you have a product, once you turn your service into a product, the next thing you're going to need to be able to take it online is what we call a funnel. And I know you guys have probably heard about funnels because everybody's talking about them. But what are funnels, right? Let me simplify what a funnel for you, right? You ever seen a website? When you go on a website, the challenge with a website, and me put it on the screen here. The challenge with a website is that a website, you can go on a website, but there's a lot of different links that you can click to get you off of that. And when you want to take your business online and you want to actually monetize online, you don't want to only depend on specifically wasting your time driving traffic to a website that doesn't convert. So with a funnel, what we're able to do with a funnel is we're able to have a landing page that we give them one or two options on that funnel. And a funnel can look like this, right? Let's say you had a specific product that you were looking to sell and you were in the health niche, meaning you had a product that helped people lose weight and help them with their nutrition. And you so happen to have, let's say, like a 5-step program. And you package that program up, and now you use a funnel to educate the people that are online, right, on the internet, on how your product can help them. And this funnel, or this landing page on the funnel, is typically an opt-in page, right, that we ask people for the following. Typically their emails, right? We ask them for their phone number and their first and last name, okay? Because watch what happens when I drive someone to this page and I have a headline, let's say, right? Let's say I have a product and it's in the health space and it's a 5-step program and I was targeting entrepreneurs. And let's say I had a headline here that said the top 5 mistakes that entrepreneurs make with their health, right? And that was the header. And I was offering a free PDF, right? A free, guide that had those 5 mistakes. And I'm asking them for their email, their phone, and their first and last name. And I only have that one option on that page. What's going to happen is it's going to increase my conversion by 50% because these individuals that are going to this page, they only have 1 or 2 options. Either they say yes and they give me their email, phone number, and name, first and last name, or they say no and they just exit out. But if I were to drive them to a website, just a regular website, I'm going to be limited with the result. Why? Because if I drive them to a website and I have a bunch of different links, right? You got the header here, the headline, you have a bunch of links and buttons on the actual home page, and then now I can't really systematize or get my numbers clear on how many people are landing on my page and who's actually converting because I have a bunch of different links. So a lot of people say, Israel, why do you recommend funnels over websites? I actually recommend both. There's a purpose for both of these. But when you want to take your business online, most people think they just need a website. And well, how is that working for you? A website is not going to really allow you to convert if you want to generate leads and sales for your business. You need a funnel. Why? Because again, if I drive someone to this page, they have one or two options. Either they give me their information or they don't. They just leave. Here, you could have 7 to 10 different options and your conversion rate is going to be low. So that's what you really need to take your business online. You need a product because products scale faster than services. You can still have a service, but you're going to be limited. And then you need a funnel. You need a landing page that can attract people to give you their information so you can reach out to them at a later time. And then there's other sequences that follow. But that's the first thing you need to focus on. If you want to take your business online and buy back your time and leverage your expertise, you need to focus on changing your services into products, and you need to build out a funnel and leverage a funnel. So if you're interested in leveraging funnels, learning more about how you can take your business online, just click the link below, follow, subscribe. We're going to be bringing more content to be able to help you with this problem. I'll see you soon.